everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to make more people like you. This is a tutorial for getting more friends. If you want to have more friends, more acquaintances in life, and more people liking you, this is the video for you. I'm going to go over 7 things that you should do to make more people enjoy your presence. Number 1 is ask questions. Now, let's face it, people like to talk. I'm the perfect example of that. I love to talk, obviously. So if you ask questions, you're going to encourage people to talk. They're going to like it. They're going to enjoy your presence. It's as simple as that. You're asking them for their opinion, basically. Number 2, talk more. Conversation is good. Talking more encourages conversation. It's not like you're going to be talking to them and they're not going to respond. They're going to respond back. So they're going to enjoy listening to you and they're going to enjoy speaking back to you. So that'll help you make more friends and get more people to like you as well. Number 3, admit to not knowing everything and don't act like you know it. So that's number 3. You don't want to pretend like you know everything. You know, humility is one of the best forms of getting people to like you, and admitting to not knowing everything, saying, you know, I don't exactly know about that. That will allow people to like you because it shows honesty, and people like honest people. So don't pretend like you know everything and admit when you don't know something. Number 4, laugh with others, not at others. Now, this is an old lesson that you probably learned in elementary school, but you want to laugh with people. Don't laugh at them. You know, let's say someone goes and trips over something and takes a very, very light fall. If they're laughing at themselves, then it's probably okay for you to giggle a bit. But if they're hurt, it's not right for you to laugh. So laugh with others, not at others. Number 5, lighten up a bit. Now, I'm guilty of not doing this. You know, it's okay to be opinionated and to be like hard-headed and have a strong opinion, but sometimes you got to lighten up. Every once in a while, it's nice to just lighten up. People enjoy seeing that. It's good to be knowledgeable, be smart, and show that opinion through your knowledge, but definitely lighten up once in a while. It definitely helps for people to enjoy your presence. No one wants to be around someone that's always like, all the time, you know. Number 6, smile more, okay? So you got to be positive. See the light in the situation, you know, be generally a positive person and smile more. When you smile more, you'll be more positive, and then people like being around people that are positive. The only people that enjoy a negative presence are negative people, and you don't want to be friends with negative people, so be positive and you will attract positive people as well. Last but not least is number 7, which is spend time with others and sort of be generous with your time. Now, I'm a hard type of person with my time. I don't let people interfere with my time unless you're a friend or family member to me. Meaning, if you're friend or family, you can totally abuse my time. It's totally fine. I'll dedicate time to you without any productivity at all. But if you're not friends or family, then it's business. If you're someone I work with, it's business. If you're someone random, it's business. If you're friends or family, that's different. So if you want someone to be your friend, to like you, then you can't treat it like business. You gotta, you know, be generous with your time and spend time with them and put productivity aside. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.